In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert JSON to TypeScript interfaces in Cursor. To do this in Cursor, start by opening your project and pasting or selecting the JSON data you want to convert. You can also load a file directly if it already exists in your workspace. Next, highlight the JSON and open the AI command panel using CMD+K or Control+K. Then type a prompt like, "Convert this JSON into TypeScript interfaces with proper typing and nested structures." Cursor will instantly analyze the JSON structure and generate clean TypeScript interfaces, including nested objects, arrays, and optional fields when needed. After that, review the output and adjust naming conventions or types if your project requires stricter rules. You can also ask Cursor to refine it further, like adding read-only fields or splitting interfaces into separate files. Once you're satisfied, copy the interfaces into your TypeScript project and start using them immediately. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.